What's your name and what are your ambitions and who are behind this sports?
My name is Ramapriya. Uh,
And who are behind this and means what? How do you get to know that this is a sport and we have to play and how are you enjoying now and who are helping you to get the sports?
my mother and father are helping me.
Okay. What about your coach and please name him.
His name is Abbas sir.
Abbas sir. Is Abbas sir good?
Yes.
Okay. What does it tell every day and how do you fitness?
He tells I should bend a lot and put more of crossovers.
Okay. And also you don't need to means you're not having junk food, right? Tell your friends and not to have junk food and how do you maintain fitness?
No, I eat lots of junk food and
Still you practice. Still you enjoy the game. Oh, great.
yes.
And what about your mother and father who are helping you?
My mother, father and the coach are helping me.
Great. What are your ambitions and where do you want to go and where do you want to put you in after 5 years?
I want to go to nationals.
And internationals?
I will go. First I will win in nationals, then I will go to international.
Okay, all the very best. And sir, please tell your name and what are your ambitions and how do you expect for her and how do you maintain, especially in this COVID situation, how do you maintain the fitness?
My name is Sriram. So during COVID time it was difficult only. But we used to have video classes. So some online classes were held by sir. It was online. And recently we have just 1 year, close to 1 year we are coming to that. COVID time it was very difficult for us also to come to the skating zone. But online classes helped us a lot at that time. So we had to run around the building itself and maintain the fitness itself. Food at that time was anyway home food only. So no changes in that as such.
And how do you means maintain this is a very costly game and costly sport and what are the expectations from the government and are you getting any concessions from this?
No, we are not getting any concessions from the government. It is an expensive sport. Probably it's because the number of manufacturers of the equipments are very less. It would be better if more manufacturers under Make in India come for this kind of sports. And more rinks are constructed in the city, in and around, and multiple cities, so that this game is given a more importance compared to other games also. Because you don't find that much amount of space anywhere. More importantly, the equipment is also extremely expensive, so we need more manufacturers also are required. 1 or 2 manufacturers may not be sufficient enough. That's the requirement on the sports over here, we are finding.
రీసెంట్గా అంటే కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం కూడా అంటే రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం కూడా స్పోర్ట్స్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఏ విధంగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది అంటే ఇలానే కన్సెషన్స్ ఎన్నో స్పోర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇండియా లోపల అంటే ఒక ప్రొఫెషనల్గా ఒక స్పోర్ట్స్ను అంటే భవిష్యత్తులో మన ఇండియా కూడా అలవర్చుకోవాలంటే మీరు ఏం చెప్తారు?
There has to be some kind of subsidy provided. You have to provide some subsidy for sports. Education wise, we are anyhow putting them in quite amount of expensive schools also. Subsidy has to be provided to parents at least so that these kind of sports are encouraged. Otherwise there is no use of telling that we are very low in Olympics, getting no medals whatsoever in Olympics or any other sports. So some kind of subsidy which will encourage children to proceed, and at the same time this has to be given importance at school level also. That is also lacking a lot, so that is required, that also is required.
చాలా చక్కగా చెప్పారు సార్ ఎందుకంటే చిన్నతనంలోనే స్పోర్ట్స్ అంటే స్కూల్స్ లెవెల్ నుంచే ఎంతోమంది విద్యార్థులు మరి అంటే దే కెన్ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద చైల్డ్హుడ్ అండ్ లైక్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ సెకండ్ క్లాస్ థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఇఫ్ దే మే ప్రొవైడ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ అండ్ దే మే ఎంకరేజ్ టు sports then definitely it will be boosting for this kind of children, right sir?
Yes, absolutely. From school level itself you have to start it, but subsidies have to be provided, because if that is not possible then imagine we are in middle class, we are somehow able to afford. How do you expect people who are sending to normal schools, and they also will have aspirations and needs? If we don't do that, then we are not doing justice to what we expect from our children or any future generations. We have to subsidize certain things.
వండర్ఫుల్ పాయింట్స్ అంటే ఎన్నో ఎన్నో స్పోర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇండియాలో. స్కేటింగ్ అంటే చాలా ఈ మధ్యన క్రేజ్ కూడా వస్తుంది. అంటే చాలామంది చిన్నపిల్లలను ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే మన తల్లిదండ్రులు ప్రోత్సహించేస్తున్నారు చేస్తున్నారు. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రైజెస్ రాలేదో, ఎక్కడైతే మనకు మెడల్స్ రాలేదో ఒలింపిక్స్లో, అప్పుడు మాత్రమే స్పోర్ట్స్ గురించి వాటికి సంబంధించిన వివరాలు మనం ఇక్కడ ఇవి లోపంలో ఉన్నాయి, ఇవి సమృద్ధిగా లేవు, సో ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ చేయట్లేదు అని అనుకుంటాం. కానీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మరి ఈ ఫెసిలిటీస్ అనేది గవర్నమెంట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. ఒక ఒలింపిక్స్ అప్పుడే కాకుండా మిగతా టైమ్స్లో కూడా మరి చక్కగా స్పోర్ట్స్ని డెవలప్ చేయాలి. అలాంటి అవసరం ఇండియాలో ఉంది. ప్రొఫెషనల్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇండియాలో రావాలని మనం కోరుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.